Are you still hunting for that mythical developer who has mastered every single programming language, framework, and database known to humanity? Let's be honest. For years, hiring managers have posted job descriptions that read like a laundry list of every technology ever invented. That approach comes from misunderstanding the full-stack role, and it's why great candidates slip through your fingers while you waste time chasing a phantom. You end up with a prolonged, frustrating hiring process or someone who looks perfect on paper but can't solve real-world problems. It's time to stop this cycle. This guide will change that. Forget vague wish lists. Here's a clear step-by-step roadmap to hire an effective full-stack web developer in 2025. You'll learn how to assess candidates fairly and compliantly, what skills genuinely matter, and how to spot the red flags others miss. By the end, you'll distinguish a true builder from a buzzword collector. Let's clear up confusion around technical skills. You don't need someone who knows 10 languages. You need depth in the right ones and the ability to learn. Front end, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and hands-on experience with at least one framework like React, Angular, or Vue. Back end, a server-side language and framework, Node with Express, Python with Django, or Java with Spring. Databases, solid SQL skills, PostgreSQL, and NoSQL, MongoDB, and knowing when to use each. Finally, Git fluency for version control, nice-to-haves, DevOps and CI/CD experience, Docker and containerization, cloud platforms, AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, web security best practices and API design like GraphQL or REST. When evaluating, don't just read the tech list on a resume, probe for depth. Ask them to describe a complex project, why they chose that stack, what trade-offs they considered. A strong candidate defends decisions with clear reasoning. A weak one says, "It's what I know." Brilliant code without communication is a liability. In a role that bridges teams, soft skills are core competency. Look for communicators who translate technical concepts into plain English. Good documentation and constructive code reviews save the team hours. Problem solving and resilience separate senior from junior developers. Look for candidates who methodically try approaches until they find a solution. Collaboration matters. They should speak we more than I. They must work closely with product, design, QA, and other engineers. Candidates with a history of successful teamwork integrate faster and contribute more. Move beyond, "Are you a team player?" Use behavioral prompts that force stories. Ask, "Tell me about a time you faced a technical problem you had no idea how to solve. What was your process?" For communication, describe a complex technical topic to me as if I were a non-technical product manager. For collaboration, tell me about a time you had a significant disagreement about a technical decision. How did you handle it and what was the outcome? Their answers reveal capability. Listen for ownership, clarity, and learning. Section 4. Where to find talent and how to vet it fairly. Your single most effective source, referrals from your engineering team. Next best, platforms where developers demonstrate code. GitHub is a living resume. Also, mine niche communities, Stack Overflow, Dev.to, Slack, and Discord developer channels. Engage authentically in communities. Don't spam job ads. Use a short automated coding test to screen basic competence. Follow with a realistic take-home project that simulates a team task, a small full-stack app with front-end and API. Reduce bias with structured interview scorecards at every stage. Score competencies like JavaScript, problem-solving, and communication on a 1-5 scale. Every interviewer uses the same card. Complete ratings immediately after the interview to force evidence-based assessments. Avoid rushing the process. A rushed hire is almost always a bad hire. Don't over-index on pedigree. Focus on what candidates can do, not where they come from. Never skip reference checks. They tell you how someone actually works on a team. To evaluate motivation and fit, ask structured, compliant questions. Ask, what are you looking for in your next role that you're not getting now? And what technical challenges excite you? Weak, my manager fixed a bug. Strong, ownership, post-mortem, tests added, shared learnings, that shows growth and reliability. Are you ready to build a team of builders? Go out and find them. Subscribe for more hiring guides, and if you need hires now, visit peopleteam.com/hiring.